What does it mean to be rooted in routine? It starts with structure. Strength starts with structure. It's about reestablishing daily anchors, things in our morning intention with movement, nourishment, reflection, maybe even an evening ritual. Some of the things that I do in the morning have really helped me to regain the focus to my day, start my day right. So, starting it out on the right foot. I get up in plenty of time to incorporate all the things that I want to do to be able to set my intention for the day. So I start by getting up and drinking some warm water with some lemon and a little pinch of some Ayurvedic herbs that help to stimulate my digestive tract. I scrape my tongue to get all the things that come out during the night, and I brush my teeth. And then I'll go and I'll do my workout. And once I'm done with that, I will take my shower and get ready for the day. And then I come downstairs and I make my cup of tea and I sit and I have my quiet time. So I have a book I'm reading, a devotional, I read some scripture, I'll do a meditation, some deep breathing most days, and then some journaling most days. And that really sets my day for me to feel like I'm starting out on the right foot. Throughout the day, I might pause. Today, I took a pause and took the dog for a walk in the middle of the day. Then I took another pause and I did some seated stretches, some seated yoga. And then this evening, what I usually do is I will wind down after dinner. I'll have a cup of chamomile or lavender tea, read a little bit more, and then I do something that's called Abhyanga. It's a Ayurvedic self massage. I'll oil my whole body and just move that lymphatic fluid through as I prepare for the evening. And then when I sleep overnight, those oils soak into my skin. They're not just oils to make my skin smooth. It's embedded with infused with herbs to help to bring healing to my body. And it really helps me to relax and feel really refreshed when I wake up in the morning. A lot of times when I do the massage, I'll do a little bit of reflexology. So I'll massage my feet looking for those little nodules that build up, and I work some of that out and just give myself a little bit of self reflexology. And I find that this routine really helps me to stay anchored and really just stabilize me. So again, routine isn't restriction, it's about a rhythm that creates freedom. So I hope that this inspires you to create your own routine, whatever that looks like. Maybe even take some of my examples and put them into practice for yourself. I hope this adds value to you and to your day, and I will see you tomorrow.